Hi student, this is Sivakumar. 10th standard mathematics, chapter number 7, continuation of exercise 7.1, no problem number 8. The radius of a sphere increases by 25%. Find the percentage increase in its surface area. Let R be the radius of a sphere. Let R1 be the radius of the new sphere. So by data, R1 equals, what is given here? Radius of the sphere increases by 25%. See, original radius and it increases by 25%. 25% of the original radius. So increases means you have to introduce a plus symbol. That is equal to original sphere radius plus 25% means 25 by 100 into R. So 25 table you can cancel, you'll be getting 1 time and 4 times. That is equal to, you can take the LCM is 4. 4 into R, 4R plus 1 into R. That is equal to 5R by 4. That is the radius of the new sphere after it increases. Now we have to find out the percentage in increase its surface area. I consider them as, this is sphere 1 and sphere 2. Okay, sphere 1, after it increases I consider as sphere 2. Now we can find the surface area of sphere 1 and sphere 2. Sphere 1 surface area. Surface area of sphere 1 equals, surface area formula 4 pi r square. 4 pi r square. Okay, here radius is r only, so let it be. Now surface area of sphere 2. Surface area of sphere 2. That is equal to 4 pi. Here we consider the radius as r1. So r1 square. That is equal to 4 pi r1, that is equal to 5r by 4 for the second sphere. It can be replaced by 5r by 4 square. That is equal to 4 pi as it is. 5 square is 25. R square divided by 4 square is 16. That is equal to, write 25 by 16 first into which one left out, 4 pi r square. That is the surface area of the new sphere. That is sphere number 2. Now you are asked to find out the percentage increase in its surface area. Therefore, percentage increase in its surface area. Percentage increase in its surface area, that is equal to a difference in surface area. That means surface area of sphere 2 minus surface area of sphere 1 divided by original sphere surface area, I mean surface area of sphere 1 into 100%. This is a formula to find the increase in percentage of surface area. Surface area of sphere 2, that is equal to, here it is 25 by 16, 4 pi r squared. 25 by 16, 4 pi r squared minus surface area of sphere 1, that is equal to 4 pi r squared minus 4 pi r square whole divided by again surface area sphere, that is 4 pi r square into 100%. Here we can take 4 pi r squared as common. If we take 4 pi r squared as common, you will be getting 25 by 16 minus 1 whole divided by 4 pi r squared into 100 percentage. 4 pi r squared get cancelled. That is equal to 25 minus 16 divided by 16. The 16 is the LCM, so you have to multiply these two. 16 ones are 16 and whole divided by 16 into 100 percentage. That is equal to 25 minus 16, that is equal to 9 divided by 16 into 100 percentage. Here you can cancel by 4 table, 4 times here 25 times. 4 25s are 100. So 9 into 25, that is equal to 225. 225 divided by 4 percentage. 225 by 4, that is equal to, I do the calculation here. 4 5s are 20, balance 2, 5. 4 6 are 24, balance 1. Keep the decimal point here at 0. 4 2s are 8, balance 2, 0. Then 4 5s are 20. So what is the percentage? 56.25 percentage. That's all. Problem number 8 is completed. Then I will be teaching problem number 9 in the next video. Thank you, children.